Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer and welcome to Best Kept Plans. Today's video is going to be a plan with me for the week of May 19th through the 25th, 2025 using my A5 notebook from Archer and Olive. If you're interested in seeing that, please stick around. Here we are in my A5 notebook. I'm going to be going with a vertical layout over 4 pages for this week's spread. I'm going to be using this stencil from the Crafter's Workshop. I'll be incorporating these number stamps from Heidi Swapp, these Days of the Week stamps from Elle Studio. I'll be using this quote stamp set from Studio Calico, the May stamp from this set from Paper Person. I'm using 2 different distressed oxides as well as my black VersaFine ink. My theme for May 2025 in my planner is stencils, and I had this idea in my head of doing deco along the bottom of the page, but I didn't really know what stencil I wanted to go with. And so I was looking through my collection of stencils and I noticed this one, which I've used in the past and really loved it when I used it in the past, but I haven't used it in a very long time. And the last time I used it, I'm pretty sure I used like a bright blue and a hot pink and alternated between those 2 colors. And so that gave me the idea of alternating between 2 colors for my deco. But I knew that I wanted to go with more of a lighter pastel vibe. And so I went with this really pretty blue and green for my color scheme. Now there's a little bit of a pause here because I thought I had stopped my video at this point. And so you're going to see me prep my stencil on the right page here, but then the video is going to cut out because when I thought I was pressing record, I was actually pressing stop. So I apologize for that. But I also decided to kind of alternate between the 2 colors that I used when doing the deco along the bottom of the page. So the first page is green, blue, green, and then we have blue, green, blue. Going into the second 2 pages of the spread, I reversed everything and did blue, green, blue, and then green, blue, green. As you can see, I also went in with my dates and days of the week along the bottom of the page. This is definitely unique for me. I think the few times that I've done deco along the bottom of each page, I've still done the date and the day of the week at the top. And I decided to just go for it this week and do everything at the bottom and see how it looks. I added in my May, I added in a little bit of a quote stamp, and then the final touch is adding in my lines to separate each day of the week with my micron. And now we have our completed spread. I do love the colors. I do love the stencil. I'm so glad I went with that. I do like the deco along the bottom of the page. Not sure how I feel about the dates and the days of the week along the bottom of the page though. We'll have to see if that grows on me throughout the week. I think I could see myself doing something like this again, but doing dates and days of the week at the top. I hope that you all enjoyed this plan with me. I had a really fun time putting this together. And as always, everyone, please be safe. Bye-bye.